Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's Eric Coffin. I'm speaking here from the Toronto PDAC March 2019 version of the Metal Investors Forum. I'm here with Gareth Thomas, the CEO of Westhaven Ventures, one of the companies I invited. As you may or may not know, Westhaven made a very exciting epithermal gold discovery in southwest BC late last year. They are drilling again right now. Gareth just gave our audience a bit of an update. Can you walk us through, for the people watching the video, what are you going to try to accomplish with this drill phase, and how are things looking so far?
Sure. Yeah, hole 1901, which I touched on in the presentation there. First hole, we have that now currently being cut and split. We hit a 20-meter section, which we're known as the main zone. We hit that from 155 meters to about 176 meters of typical good-looking sort of 14, 15-ish. We hope assays pending, but visible gold throughout at the start, right to the end. So I think a 6.5 meter vein, full solid vein, so looking very good. That was a whole step out 50 meters to the northeast of hole SN 1815. So 50 meters, a good step out that way. The remainder of the holes we'll be testing, and if we remember from last year, we hit 18, which was a 100-meter step out to 14, right, where we drilled 17.7 meters of 24.5 grams, and 18 we hit 13 meters of almost 5 grams in the first zone, main zone, which was 100 meters up in elevation, and then we were surprised to hit a second zone where we drilled 8 meters of 6.81 grams per ton gold there. So we feel that's not the preferred metal horizon for right, what we're looking for, as I discussed in the presentation as well. So now coming back to this year, well, our next target after 1902 will be 1903, which will be an uppercut to 18 to test that second vein zone at that preferred elevation, 1,200 meter sweet spot. And then remainder holes we'll be looking to drill down to the south, where 19, as we know, was a bit of a disappointment for some, though anomalous gold, not what we were used to in the 14 and 15 that got our share price up. So
you've done some geophysics after that phase was done to try to figure out what's going on around hole 19. So what have you guys come up with, having done the resistivity survey and stuff?
Yeah, we did resistivity, and in fact, we just started doing a little bit of IP as well. We didn't have our full permit to do IP, hence we're doing resistivity. Resistivity was very good in showing up the 14 and 15 intersections, shows up as a nice high resistivity, which you like to see. So we got pretty encouraged by what we saw there. And we ran a line over 19, which was kind of the question mark as to what happened between 15 and 19. So now we can at least see from the geophysics, and as you and I both talk, geophysics isn't the end-all be-all. We're geology first, and obviously Peter does a very good job at that. But here the geophysics shows that it looks like there was some sort of offset, or whether it's on the periphery or vertically, some sort of cross fault, major fault happened there. We can tell by the geophysics that we kind of clipped what appeared to be the sort of the high resistivity zone, and we got more room to go to the east. So we'll be likely doing a step out to the east where we're targeting resistivity high that kind of narrows, looking more like a vein-like structure. So that's our goal there. And then south of 19 looks quite interesting as well with resistivity anomalies. So we want to test those, the theory with drill testing, obviously.
You'll get to that this phase?
Yep. Yeah, okay. We have seven holes planned now, about roughly 3,000 meters from now until probably mid-April.
Okay. And Gareth mentioned in the presentation and in some of his recent talks, Westhaven's planning 20,000 meters this year. So there's a lot of drill holes to come. This is a great discovery story. I mean, it's really, I love to see a really good group of guys that have worked so hard at it for so long, pull a proverbial rabbit out of the hat, which you guys definitely did last year. So, this is a story, if you like gold and you like gold exploration, this is a story you definitely got to be on and got to be following, because it's going to be, 2019 is going to be a very interesting, probably pivotal year for Westhaven. Thanks for coming by, Gareth.
Thank you, Eric. Thanks for having me.
Okay.